Okay, this is problem 5-9. If we have $500, this is our present value and our interest rate is 6%. We want to know what it'd be worth in 1 year or what it'd be worth in 2 years. We do the arithmetic and calculator functions or the spreadsheet functions. Here's the arithmetic formula. 500 times 1.06 for 1 year equals $530. If you want to put it in your spreadsheet, you can write it like this. 500 times 1.06. Put your equal first. 500 times 1.06. For 2 years, it'd be 500 times 1.06 to the second power equal 561.82. Or we can do it, put as a formula in the spreadsheet. You'd say equals 500 times 1.06 and use this little caret top symbol to the second power. We can also do it by putting a financial, like we would our financial calculator, and use the spreadsheet functions. N would equal 1, IY would equal 6, present value would equal minus 500, payment 0, and we'll solve for future value. If you like, there's a shortcut to the formulas, and you'll see you have most recently used. We'll use the net present, or the future value, rate 6%, periods 2, payment, and present value. Be a negative since it's an outflow to get an answer of 530. Now, the nice thing about using the spreadsheet this way is to find it for 2 years, all we have to do is go up here and change our N to 2, hit enter, and you notice our future value changed to 581. We can just copy this, right click, copy. We can take it over here, right click, paste special, tell it to just paste the values. Okay, so now it gives us 561. When I go back here and change this to 1, it'll change it, but it'll leave this the same. So here's our 530. For 2 years, it's 561. Okay, now the second part of the problem, or the last two, calls for us to find the present value of 500 that we have 1 year, that we're going to get 1 year from now. What's it worth today if our discount rate is 6%? Or if we're going to get this 2 years from today and our discount rates for 6%, what will it be? To do the arithmetic function, 500 times 1 divided by 1.06 equal 571. We can write this as a formula in our spreadsheet, saying equals 500 times 1 divided by 1.06 equals 471.70. For 2 years, it would be 500 times 1 divided by 1.06 to the second power equal 445. Or we could write it in as a formula in our spreadsheet, say equals 500 times 1 divided by 1.06 to the second power, and you need to put your parentheses around it. We'd put it in the financial calculator like this. 1 would be N. Our discount rate would be 6%. We're solving for present value. Our payments would be 0, and our future value would be 500. So to solve for present value, we just use our present value formula, PV, okay, and our rate, 6%, periods per year, 1, payment, 0, future value is 500. Okay, that gives us a negative. We know we'll just drop the negative sign when we put it in our answer. Now we can find, for 2 years, just change our N to 2, and you'll see 445. So we can just control right, or copy, or excuse me, not cut. I want to copy, and we bring this over here and paste special. Just our values this time. Okay. I can come back and put 1 in. There we go. So for 1 year, our present value is $471.70, and for 2 years, our present value is $445. This is problem 5-9.